and you can create a workflow. You set in your triggers to your preference. If you want maybe a contact to be added as a subscriber to ConvertKit, then you can maybe after maybe when you tag a contact, then you want a workflow to send them as a subscriber to ConvertKit. That's very possible. So you set your trigger and you can set up the actions. The various actions you can have under ConvertKit are when you go to add actions, and I'm going to search here ConvertKit. Always make sure to search for Convert Service. Yes, ConvertKit Service. So we have ConvertKit Service. These are the various actions that we have under ConvertKit Service. You can add a subscriber to a form. You can add subscriber to sequence. You can update ConvertKit subscriber. We can create a tag subscriber, remove subscriber tag, and you can remove a subscriber. So those are the various actions you can have under the ConvertKit. Yeah, so if you need any further help, just let us know. I will be ready to jump on call and assist you. Thank you.